Good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are well. And now let us start the remaining part of the chapter 1. Section 2 का जो remaining part था. Now let us start. The prospects of scones and hot cocoa was welcome, but they hesitate. They are going to be welcome with the hot cocoas and scones. Scones, cookies. Now they are going to be welcomed by the Miss Brown. Miss Brown, who was old age lady, as we were reading this chapter related to a ghost old house, and now the prospect going to do जो उनका जो वेलकम किया जाने वाला था with the scones and the hot cocoa, steamed hot cocoa and the with some scones, some cookies and hot boiled coffee. But they hesitate, but they was not very frank with the lady, so they were hesitate. वो बहुत ज़्यादा hesitate थी, संकुचित थी लेने में, इतनी frank नहीं थी. But before they could protest about being a bother, the old lady said, please excuse me, I'll be back in a wink. But before they could protest, before they can say against to stop it, about a bother, about to be not वेरी टेंशनाइज द ओल्ड लेडी सेड. द ओल्ड लेडी कहती है जो मिस ब्राउन है, मिस ब्राउन, शी सेड, वो कहती हैं प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज मी, आई बी बैक विद इन ए विंक. विंक वेरी क्विकली, वेरी फास्ट, पलक झपकते ही. शी सेड, इससे पहले बिफोर इट दे कुड रिफ्यूज दिस वेलकम या दे कुड stop this welcome, to say stop this about a being bother, it be a terrible bother. She said, the lady said quickly, please excuse me, I'll be back within a second, very quickly, मैं एक मिनट में आई. She bustled out of the room. She quickly went out of the room. वो बहुत तेजी से बाहर जाती है. By the way, and said, by the way, I'm Evelyn Brown, Miss Evelyn Brown. She called over her shoulder. She said, I'm Evelyn Brown, Miss Evelyn Brown. She said, she gave them her intro. That is, tell her name. I'm Evelyn Brown, Miss Evelyn Brown. She called over her shoulder. वो अपने shoulder को ऊपर करते हुए कहती है. Vanna, who was sitting closest to the door from where she left, peered at her. Look at her stove. Look at her stove. It looks like one of those described in the old classics. Vanna, who was sitting nearby, closest, very close to the door from she can where she left, जहाँ से वो गई थी अंदर, वो बिल्कुल गेट के पास ही बैठ. She was sitting nearby the gate and she can take the observe inside that. And peered यानी look carefully, and she can look inside at her. वो अंदर से उसे देख सकती, वो अंदर वहाँ पर उसे देख सकती थी. Look at her stove, she said to Indu. Look at her stove, उसके स्टोव को देखो. It looks like very old type of thing, very old fashioned. It looks very old type of, ये बहुत पुराने ज़माने का लगता है. She whispered यानी धीरे से कुछ कहना. वो चुपचाप से उसे धीरे से कुछ कहती है. But इंदु was not interested to listen about it. लेकिन इंदु कुछ भी सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी. So a lot of people are sentimentally attached to their old passions, replied Indu. Then Indu replied, a lot of people, many people are emotionally attached and connect with their old fashioned things. She replied. Indu वापस वन्ना को रिप्लाई करती है कि many people connect emotionally with the old fashioned things. बहुत सारे लोगों को पुरानी चीज़ों का शौक होता है, पुरानी चीज़ें पसंद होती हैं, उनका पैशंस होता है, उनका शौक होता है. रिप्लाइड इंदू रिप्लाई करती है इन अ वे रिफ्यूजिंग टू राइज टू वन्नाज बैट. वन्ना की रिफ्यूजिंग टू रेस्पॉन्ड टू द वन्नाज पॉइंट, वन्ना के पॉइंट को रिफ्यूज़ करते हुए, टू अपोज द वन्नाज पॉइंट, वन्ना के पॉइंट को अपोज करते हुए. एंड इवन देन अगेन द वन्ना सेड, इवन कैलेंडर्स 80 ईयर्स ओल्ड, यहाँ तक कि तो कैलेंडर भी 80 ईयर्स ओल्ड है. आस्क्ड वन्ना, वन्ना फिर से कहती है इवन कैलेंडर्स ऑल्सो 80 ईयर्स ओल्ड. Staring wide-eyed at the calendar on the wall that belonged to the year 1932, और उस कैलेंडर को देखते हुए जो 1932 का लगा हुआ था, हैंग हो रहा था. एंड स्टेयर्ड, घूरते हुए, स्टेयरिंग वाइड-आइड, खुली बड़ी आँखों से, वाइड-आइड, ओपन आइज, खुली वाइड-आइड एट द कैलेंडर, वो स्टेयरिंग एट द कैलेंडर, कैलेंडर को घूरते हुए, हु इज हैंगिंग ऑन द वॉल दैट बिलोंग टू द वेरी ओल्ड टाइप ऑफ ईयर that is that's belong to very old year 1932. Feeling very uncomfortable, feeling uneasy and yet unwilling to acknowledge it, Indu replied. Feeling very uncomfortable and feeling very uneasy to acknowledge to stay here, it, Indu replied. Feeling फीलिंग अनईजी एट अनविलिंग टू इंडू रिप्लाइड यस इवन कैलेंडर्स, और बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल फील करते हुए बिना किसी इच्छा के वो रिप्लाई करती है इंदू यस बिल्कुल, यहाँ तक कि कैलेंडर्स के भी. इवन इंदू डिडंट वांट, ही वाज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू लिसन एनीथिंग अबाउट द मिस एवलिन. एट दैट मोमेंट, उसी समय, मिस ब्राउन वॉकड इन विद ए ट्रे. On that time, on that moment, Miss Brown entered in the room with a tray which was having bearing 2 mugs of the steaming cocoa and plate piled with some delicious looking scones. She's entered in the room having 2 cups of the steaming cocoa and the plate which filled with the piled high with have some delicious looking cookies, scones, cookies जो हम chocolate cookies use करते हैं. You will love it here. You will love it here, I'm sure. You will love this city. You will love to stay here, I'm sure. I'm saying you very surely that you will love stay here. तुम्हें यहाँ रहना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, I'm sure. That is so much to see around. That is lots of things to see around in the city. He is talking about now he is going to talking about the Nainital, and she is saying, Miss Brown says, you will love to stay here. तुम्हें यहाँ रहना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, and surely there is so much to see around. There is lots of things to see around. She went on tell them about the town. She is going to tell them about the town Nainital. It's the clock tower, the vendors with their warriors laden on the ponies, the sparkling lake and its boats, the charm of the mall, and the tigers that roamed in the mountain and they sometimes wandered into the town in search of the prey. Now see, you will love it to stay here. You will love to enjoy the city. I'm surely saying that there is so much to see around the thing. There is lots of things to see and to enjoy. She continued with her talk. She is going to tell them about the city, beautiful city Nainital. वो start करती है उन्हें बताना नैनीताल के बारे में. It's clock tower. Clock tower we know, talk also clock tower. घंटा घर है. The vendors with their wearers laden on ponies. Vendors जो कि फेरी वाले होते हैं, जो कि अपना सामान लेके घूमते हैं. वेरस लैडन ऑन पॉनीज यानी मैरी फीमेल हॉर्सेस पे. एंड द स्पार्कलिंग लेक, यहाँ की ब्राइट ब्यूटीफुल लवली लेक, जो नैनी लेक है, विद इट्स बोट्स, वहाँ की बोट्स, द चार्म ऑफ द मॉल, द मार्केट शॉप्स, द मॉल रोड ऑफ द नैनीताल market place and shops, and the tigers is also a very interesting thing is there, that roamed in the mountains and sometimes wandered into the town in search of the prey. They generally roamed in the mountains, generally वो पहाड़ों पे घूमा करते हैं, but sometimes they wandered घूमते हुए, came into the town in search of the prey, in search of the hunt. Many times they came inside the city, कई बार वो शहर में आ जाते हैं. Tigers echo both together, दोनों बहुत तेजी से चिल्लाती हैं. Tiger, yes, the man-eaters. Why only? Last summer there was one of the rampage. Why? The man-eaters? Why? Man-eaters, एक आदमखोर tiger. Why? Last summer there was one of the rampage, and dear old Jim to be summoned post haste to take care of it. लास्ट ईयर जो है एक टाइगर जब यहाँ आ गया था, तब जिम कॉर्बेट को बुलाया था. जिम कॉर्बेट के बारे में मैं आपको इस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी. जिम कॉर्बेट वहाँ का नेशनल पार्क है. तो जिम कॉर्बेट बहुत नाइस प्लेस है, जो जिसे कहते हैं जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क. वहाँ पे टाइगर सेव किए जाते हैं. तो वहाँ जिम कॉर्बेट को बुलाया था टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट, इसका ध्यान रखने के लिए. Okay, thanks to all.